The police have confirmed the death of a 100 Lane Don. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Andrew police have confirmed the fatal shooting of the reputed Don for the 100 Lane community of Reddy's Road earlier yesterday. He is Shaquille Dawkins, otherwise called Dog Teeth or Triple Chain. He was reportedly killed during a confrontation which police said happened around 8:30 in the morning, but are tight-lipped about the circumstances surrounding the incident. A section of Reddy's Road across from the entrance to the community was littered with tires, garbage, drums and old appliances in protest. Links 007 TV News understands that residents were threatening to set them alight in protest over the slaying of the Don. However, Deputy Superintendent of Police Rodney Sweeney said that the road has since been cleared and a security team deployed to monitor the area. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have a subsequent report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.